Today we're gonna bring a bug killer here, if you guys can see it. This is actually pretty neat. These are actually plastics, and of course is a USB type C converter in the back that you're gonna need to connect. All right, it does come with a little brush, so you could brush anything that dies in there, brush it out of there, and of course you need to tilt it out to brush it in there. There is a power button on, and if you're gonna take this outdoors, I suggest maybe get an external battery, plugging it in, and cranking it up for a couple hours, and let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna crank it up. If you guys can see, I actually have an external battery, so you're gonna take this camping. It's suggested keep it away from children. A great thing about it, you could hang this. If you guys notice, let me see if I could. You can see you can hang this, and it has a clip here that you can clip it up anywhere. If you have a hanger or something, you go automatically just put it in place. We're gonna keep this outdoors, and of course, see if we could kill some bugs because it's mosquito season. And if you're gonna take it camping, suggest you get a battery just like I did and take it anywhere pretty much. So we are outdoors, we are in the garage. There are a lot of bugs in here. I have a couple of these sit out throughout my garage, but they still keep coming, and they're still strong in numbers. So you need to protect yourself by having one of these for mosquitoes or any little mites. This is actually pretty good. So